Hey guys, Coach 𝐸𝐻𝐸 here. In this video today, I'm going to talk about how you can get leads and sales in your business, even if you really suck at marketing. So here's the thing. Since 2017, I myself have leveraged Facebook groups to be able to get leads and sales in my business, to be able to build my brand and to get exposure. For people who out there who they're struggling, and they're looking for a way to just get traffic on tap, right? Without having to go do paid ads, without having to do Facebook ads, without having to figure out the complexities of all that and spend, money, Facebook groups, is the way to go. But the thing about Facebook groups is that a lot of people don't understand how to monetize them. So they're doing what they think they should be doing in Facebook groups, but they're not doing it effectively to monetize Facebook groups. So there's a training called SoCom Profits that you can get access to through me that can it's an amazing training. I went through it and I'm actually impressed. And I go through trainings on Facebook. I'm like, but when I go through a training and I learn new things, then I'm impressed. Okay, so this training is really good. It's going to teach you how to monetize Facebook groups the right way, how to be effective, how to essentially get traffic on tap to your offers, and how to create your own community that is well monetized. Now, here's why you want to incorporate Facebook groups into your business. I'm going to go over the reasons that worked for me and why you might want to look at this model. The first thing is that Facebook groups allow you to build know, like, and trust in ways that you really can't through a lot of other mediums. Email's cool, things like that. But the reality is that most people aren't checking their email as much as they are social media. Okay, so the great thing is people are always looking to interact with someone through social media. The other thing, back to know, like, and trust, as you share your content, as you start sharing with them the videos that you're making and tips and things like that, which this training shows you how to do and how to keep it simple. Once you start sharing these things with your group, then that know, like, and trust is built. That authority is built. And that's really important in the sales process, especially for beginners who come online who want to make money. You need to spend some time building that audience, building authority, and building know, like, and trust. And once you have that built, you can quickly build that through Facebook groups. Once you build that, then the conversions start happening. So the next reason why Facebook groups are so effective is because it just converts. Here's why. When you are posting your offer, your success stories in your group, unlike other mediums, people get alerts that new content is posted in your group and things like that. So they're constantly seeing your offer. Whereas, people will unsubscribe from it. Not that people can't leave your group, but it just typically doesn't happen as often. People, so in terms of that conversion factor, people are always on alert about what you're doing. It's a great way to keep your offers, what you're offering, in front of people on a regular and even daily basis. Okay. Another reason why Facebook groups are so effective is because exposure. Facebook prioritizes two things in 2020, and actually they started this in 2019. Those two things are Facebook Lives and Facebook groups. And the third thing would be coming shortly is Facebook events. Those things Facebook prioritizes. So again, Facebook groups and Facebook Lives. The great thing is within your Facebook group, you can go live. Okay. And within your Facebook group, you can do a Facebook event. And it's a great way to just, again, keep your group engaged. Also, your network can grow exponentially because as they teach you in the course, you can get other people in your group to invite other people, and your group just keeps growing. Okay, so there's a lot of things that you can do. Another thing that you can do to keep engaged with this group and keep connected to this group is messaging, being able to message them through Facebook Messenger, people who are in your group. So this course is actually really good. And I just want to say, before I switch screens and kind of show you what's included in the course, I just wanted to say that if you have any questions and you want to just jump in right away and see what the course is all about, go ahead and check out my link beneath this video. It's only like $13, which I think is an amazing price point. for now. I know the owner is going up on the price. It's $13 right now, which I think is amazing for the content that is in there. This isn't like your typical, like, you know, to me, $13 course. This is a course that really, I think he should have sold it for at least $97. But for it to be at the $13 price point is pretty amazing. So if you're looking to get traffic, you're looking to build a Facebook group and monetize that group. And here's the thing. I'm going to show you this in a second. This Facebook group training is not just for affiliate marketers, network marketers, affiliate marketers, mommy groups. It doesn't matter what type of group you want to build. You can build that group, makeup groups, things like that. You can build these groups and you can, you know, monetize them. And that's really what it's about, monetize. So let's go over to the sales page and check it out. And again, if at any point you want to check out the link beneath this video, go ahead and check that out. So get started right away. I have some exclusive bonuses. They will expire on Saturdays. Limited time offer. I'm taking them out of the back office as of Saturday. So make sure that you, you know, get that right away, that $13, and get my exclusive bonuses, which let me go over those real quick before I jump into the sales page. My exclusive bonuses are, I'm giving away a 4-figure a week daily action plan. I know that a lot of people online want to be able to create 4 figures a week online. Well, that's not hard to do. As someone who's done it, who does it, I can tell you that it's not hard. It's just about some simple daily action steps that you have to be consistent with. And once you know what those daily action steps are, you can begin to build an audience. You can begin to build authority, momentum, and sales. Okay. So you're going to get access to the daily action plan. You're going to get access to a maximum exposure formula. And that's my video training where I go over how to set up your Facebook profile to get leads and sales. Okay. The next thing that is part of my bonus package is you're going to get 4 simple steps to make more sales, even if you suck at marketing. Okay. So a lot of people are like, oh, I'm not good at sales. I'm not good at marketing. It's really not that hard. There's some simple strategies that you can do that help you get conversions and to actually be good at marketing. Stop saying that you're not good at marketing, because most people are. They just don't give themselves a chance. The next thing is you're going to get access to a PDF called How to Build a Cult of Raving Fans Using Facebook. And then you're going to get access to another video training that I created, again, using my experience as someone who has leveraged social media to be able to build a brand, to build sales. So you're going to get access to this video training called the Facebook group funnel formula, which will allow you to turn your Facebook group into a converting sales machine. Okay, so those are my bonuses. Let's jump right over and look at the SoCom profits. All right, now that I told you about my bonuses, I want to quickly walk you through this SoCom profit membership area so that you see how amazing it is. First of all, the first thing that I want to point out is that the SoCom profits team has made sure that they give you a free masterclass. Okay, that is a free masterclass where they're walking you through how to use the training that they've given you and how to be more effective with the Facebook groups training. The second thing that I think is pretty awesome, again, for it to be a what I would say a low ticket offer, is that they have offered you access to the Fearsome Digital Facebook group. And that Facebook group is pretty amazing because in there, he's showing the strategy. He's giving case studies on the strategy. He's showing that it works. People are posting their results with using this strategy and building Facebook groups the right way and monetizing them. So this is the first, things that I want to point out. Okay. So the first thing that he does in the training is he walks you through a orientation. Okay. So he walks you, even if you're a beginner, you get a quick orientation on what you need to know to get set up with this strategy. Then he walks you through how to get laser targeted focus. He walks you through how to set up your own Facebook group, things like that, all those things that you need to know, how to secure your group, so on and so forth. Then in the next module, let's go to the next module. In the next module, module number 2, he goes over the different types of Facebook groups that you can actually create. Okay, so you need to have a niche, and he walks you through how to, figure out what kind of group you want to create and how to create your first Facebook group in 5 minutes. Okay. Literally. The next thing he does is, these are like all like little technical things. He goes over all of that so that you understand, how to monetize that group. Then he jumps into the meat and potatoes. So let's just go up. Let me go up one more time. Sorry. Then he goes over how to select your niche a little bit deeper. He goes over how to get members into your group, how to create massive flow of members to your group. He goes over all of those things. And then the last couple modules, he talks about the power of building a community with Facebook groups. He talks about how to sell in those Facebook groups. And let's see, about building a tribe and get paid forever, which is really important because, you know, every time you come out with an offer, instead of trying to look for different traffic sources, again, traffic on tap, you have a community where you can just keep building that group using these methods, and you can begin to build a community, build a tribe, sell to that group, right? So that's really what it's about. Another thing that I really like about this training is, and I talk about this a lot in my videos, is a lot of network marketers and affiliate marketers are always talking about value. Okay. And the problem with that word value is nobody knows what the hell it means. Okay. Especially newer affiliate marketers are like, well, what does that mean? Well, in this Build a Tribe, Get Paid Forever training, he talks about what value means in terms of your daily strategy with the group so that you can monetize the group. So instead of you just walking around saying, oh, I think this might be value, I don't know, he actually walks you through what value is. Okay. So that's the meat and potato of it. I just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of stuff in here, but the good thing is it's not overwhelming. I took, like each one of these videos are like between 4 and 7 minutes. Some are a little bit longer. I got through this in a day. Like I got through this in like 2 hours, not even. And it was great training, and I felt like I learned a lot. There were things that I was like, oh man, I need to do that with my group. So I actually have a page full of notes of things that I'm going to implement in my group to make my group more effective. All right. So that's my full review. I give it my full recommendation. You need to take advantage of this $13 course so that you can implement this strategy in your business in 2020. And you definitely want to get access to my bonuses. Again, 4 figures, a week daily action plan, maximum exposure formula, how to set up your Facebook profile to get leads and sales, 4 simple steps to make more sales, even if you suck at marketing, how to build a cult of raving fans using Facebook, and my Facebook group funnel formula training where you can turn your Facebook group into a converting sales machine. So you definitely want to get access to those bonuses. Make sure that you get that through my link. And subscribe and check that out below. Don't forget, Saturday, I'm pulling those out of I actually have it in my calendar. I'm pulling it out. So get that before Saturday. And that's it, my friend. Bye.